Hey everyone! If you're looking for a clean off-white sneaker without spending crazy resale prices, I've got a solid deal for you. I picked up these off-white X Air Jordan 5 Retro SP Muslin from Icystar.ru, and they've got a special discount code for you. Use PLUG to get $20 off your order. Now let's dive into the review. Sizing and fit. First things first, go with your usual Nike size. These fit true to size, so no need to size up or down. Some off-white models can be tricky, but this one gets it right. Materials and quality. This pair stands out because of its aged black textile upper, which gives it that vintage, worn-in look straight out of the box. The reflective silver tongue is classic Jordan 5, and of course, you get Virgil Abloh's signature off-white details, from the zip tie to the cutout panels on the upper. Now, I've checked out a lot of different versions of this sneaker, and let me tell you, a lot of sellers mess up the shape. The toe box and heel area just weren't right on most pairs I found. But this one, it nails the OG shape and materials one-to-one. If you've ever worn the original retail pair, you'll instantly feel the difference. Comfort and styling. On a comfort scale, I'd give these an 8 out of 10. They've got good ankle padding, a soft insole, and overall solid cushioning. But let's be real, these are more about style than performance. And speaking of style, you'll want to rock these with some wide leg or relaxed fit pants to really make them pop. Final thoughts. Overall, if you're looking for a top-tier off-white Jordan 5 without paying insane resale prices, this is a great pick. And again, if you want to grab a pair, head over to icystar.ru and use discount code PLUG for $20 off. Would you cop or drop these? Let me know in the comments. Down.